ओम गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम गम गणपतये नमः। ओम हुम हनुमते नमः। ओम रम रामाय नमः। ओम मातेश्वरी नमो नमः। ओम मातृपितृचरणकमलेभ्यो नमो नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। Welcome to Astrology for You. I myself Acharya Sanjay. Now, in this present condition in the sky, the great event of this year, that is solar eclipse, moon eclipse, and in this particular month of August, Sun, the king of all planet, enter into the house of its own Leo sign, and naturally in this house already Ketu, the planet, it is not right, it is any not mass planet. It is called Dhumrabarnaya Vidmahe, means it have no any concentric mass. So this planet is already here, and now Sun enter into this house. So both conjunction of Sun and Ketu in the month of September, and starting from 18th of August to onwards September, and both planet conjunct in this Leo sign. That's why it is not so positive month. There is a very critical time period when this type of eclipse in this month, when both planet coincide 0-0 with each other, then it affect the human system naturally. This is not so auspicious and good. This is a very critical time zone for this month. That's why be alert, aware, and avoid all kind of bad work. So the general principle, when this Sun planet or any planet it is its own house, then it give good result, no doubt. But here one problem is this Sun is in the axis of Rahu and Ketu. That's why this is not so good conjunction. In this time period when Sun enter into this house, then it will affect to the great leader of the world and our nation India, and also it may create some political and geopolitical problem in the world. Mainly the Leo ascendant is USA President Trump and Leo ascendant, and naturally in this time period, and since he took oath for presidency in the USA, till that time and in the present time period, he started a game about tariff, and due to this his mental condition is not so good, and all the universe level and other country, they are in trouble. That's why this is the time period, particularly in these 2 months, it may create problem for such kind of president, and also in India, PM Modi. That's why it is very essential to allot for them. And also such kind of moon eclipse and solar eclipse is the huge amount of pressure and astronomical and geothermal and geostress pressure. Due to that, earthquake and other kind of cyclone and super cyclone may come out in the world, in the sea and different country. This is the warning time period for mass destruction. And another thing is, due to such kind of eclipse, many more people due to high blood pressure problem, or those who are pregnant lady, they must allot in this month. It is very essential for them. They must take precaution. All kind of spiritual precaution is very essential, like Mrityunjaya mantra and Surya Aditya Hridaya Stotra, etc. This is the remedy. Another part, those people are undergoing Sunny Sadesati, like Aquarius sign and Pisces sign and Aries sign. And also in this time period, Leo sign for certain Dhaya, 2.5 year of 8th Sunny, that is Kantaka Sunny. And for Sagittarius, this is 4th Sunny, is called Dhaya Sunny. And for Vrishchika Scorpio, this is 5th of Saturn, is Panauti Sunny. These all the 5 signs, they must face some negative event and effect in their life, particularly madness. And this is the time period where blackmailing problem and suicidal tendency, insomnia and other kind of job related problem, particularly for Scorpio sign people, this is they must allot for such kind of problem. This is the universal prediction. Now, as per your sign, first for Aries sign, this eclipse is in 5 and 11 axis, in 5th house Leo sign and 11th house Aquarius sign. So be alert about your children, love relationship, and about your belly disease. And now in this time, because you people Aries sign undergoing Sadesati, different kind of stomach related problem like kidney stone, liver stone and pancreas, all this kind of problem. Wait any kind of medical operation surgery, wait for 1 month or 2 months. Don't take immediate decision. Also in the love relation problem may arise breakout type problem and breakup pack-up type problem. And also a lot about your children's health, they may in different kind of disease type problem they face, and you also. Another is for Taurus sign, it is in the 4th house, 4th and 10. Be alert about your job, overload of job, overpower job, overwork. And also if any kind of problem going on in your office or your factory or your job site, then dismiss, transfer or overload of job or office politics may increase in this month. And in 4th house, the house of mother, house of your land, property and vehicle, accidental event may. That's why be alert. Don't try to overspeeding or don't try for long distance driving. And also if any kind of land litigation and court and law problem, be alert and avoid this time period for such kind of program. Another is for Gemini sign, it is in 3rd house, younger brother and your friend circle, your neighbor. And this 3rd house is communication and small distance tour and travels. Be alert about your younger brothers and also for your neighbor. They may create some problem or they suffer such kind of disease or any kind of other problem. Means try to handle all this relationship coolly, calmly. Otherwise, you may suffer from that side. Another is for Cancer sign. For Cancer sign, this solar eclipse, moon eclipse is 2 and 8 zone. So in 8th of Rahu and 2nd of Ketu. So this is in your family house, money and your speech. Control your mouth, particularly for Cancer sign. Control your mouth, control your speech. A lot about the health of your family and don't give anybody money, and don't try for any kind of loan in this time period for Cancer sign, particularly at the month of solar eclipse and moon eclipse time period. And if any person is in illness in your family, you must take appropriate medical advice, and it is very essential for take care of them. For Leo sign, this is naturally a problemable time zone for Leo sign, because this solar eclipse, moon eclipse and sun enter into this house. It is your own house. But you Leo sign people now undergoing Saturn Dhaya, 8th of Sunny and 7th of Rahu and first house Ketu. Since last 50 years, this is so most critical time zone, time period for Leo sign. That's why be alert for your health and also your self-respect, and also about your personality. This is the time period where you suffer due to some personality disorder, insomnia, sleeplessness, and any kind of fraud cheating with you, or any kind of disease type condition. Particularly this 2 month is not so good for Leo sign people. Another is for Virgo sign, Kanya Rasi. This is in 12th house. 12th house of Sun and 12th house of Ketu. It is good for, no doubt, hidden enemy, but it naturally it will give you different kind of long distance tour and travel away from your native place, and huge losses, and also those people are in different kind of medical problem. It may increase the expenditure of medical treatment, and also court and legal expenditure may increase in this time period, and also in more expenditure in tour and travels. That's why you people also, it is very essential to control yourself and perform all the remedy on account of solar eclipse and moon eclipse. It is 12th and 6th. 6th house is good, but 12th is not good. Next, for Libra sign, it is in your 11th house. That's why it is very good, no problem. But alert about your benefit or recovery of money, and no doubt it is 80 to 90% good thing. But for Scorpio sign, it is not so good, because it is a 10 and it is in the house of your career, job, office, and it may create problem, particularly dismiss from job, transfer, or any kind of overburden, overload of work and office politics. That's why be alert. And also in your 4th house and 10th house, 4th house is the house of mother, property and vehicle. Alert that don't try for any kind of long distance tour and travels, or any condition of litigational problem. Alert about your mother's health. Next is for Sagittarius sign, and for Sagittarius this is same 3rd house and 9th house. Alert about your father's health, your guru's health, and it is very essential for you to practice more spirituality, spiritualism, mantra japa and all thing. And alert about your younger brother and your all the neighbors, and don't try for in this particularly 2 month long distance or short distance tour and travel or high speed driving. It may increase your superpower, no doubt, but it may create your problem in your father's health. And now you people are in sunny Dhaya 2.5 years. That's why high blood pressure and also any kind of blood related problem and insomnia and over anger, short temper and overreaction problem may increase in this month. Be alert about solar eclipse and moon eclipse. Next is for Capricorn sign, and for the Capricorn sign it is 2 and 8, and 8th of solar eclipse is not good in-laws house, and also it may create problem for your different kind of progressive work. Means 8th house is the house of obstacle and badha, and also in chor chapet accident, any kind of accidental impact and effect. That's why allot for this 2 month, don't start any kind of new job, and also don't invest money anywhere, or don't start any new project. And that's why it is must cool, calm, and be silent and keep mum for this 2 month. And also about your second house, your family, speech, and money house, don't give money to other, and don't invest anywhere, because second of Rahu and 8th of Ketu and solar eclipse, moon eclipse be allowed for Capricorn sign. Another is for Aquarius sign, and Aquarius sign people, you must allot, because it is in your own house. Rahu is already there, and in the 7th house, partner, spouse, and long distance tour and travel, and business house is now at the time of Shani Sadesati. It may create problem, different kind of cheating, fraud, and any kind of mismanagement, and also not good relationship with your husband, wife, spouse. That's why it may create some spouse related problem. Be allowed for this. And also minimum 1, 2, or 3 type of diseases, particularly Aquarius sign, moon sign, or Aquarius ascendant, be allowed for this 2 month at the time of Shani Sadesati and solar eclipse, moon eclipse. You must practice Hanuman Chalisa and Surya Satanama or Aditya Hridaya Stotra. Next is for Pisces sign. This Pisces sign people, they suffered severely due to last Shani Sadesati since last 3 years, and different kind of mental problem. And now Saturn is in your house, and same your 6 and 12 is in the zone of solar eclipse, moon eclipse, Rahu and Ketu. That's why one side is both sides are very good, no doubt, but the mental disturbance and different kind of love breaking up love relationship, and naturally you feel unsatisfied with your partnerships. It is good that for your hidden enemy, but and the 6th house, Ketu and Sun, it is very good to recovery, loan, and save your life from all kind of enemy, and recovery of loans, and also good for healing from all kind of disease or cure. It is a good time period for your disease particularly. This is all about solar eclipse, moon eclipse, and sun enter into the house of Leo. Thank you.